Silent. Boy. Yeah. Wagwan. See Wagwan, guys. See in the background. They're in our studio today again. Listen, it's been a long time. The first time I just arrived in Australia. Listen, me shut up a song here, which is City of Dogs.
Life is nothing like the games we play. Show love a human where you stand.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do another session with a new song, so stick around for this. It's gonna be exciting. Trust me, you guys gonna love it. And I'm gonna show you the engineering a bit, alright? So stick around. Here we have the engineer. All himself. Yeah.
Back again.
Yeah, back again. It's been a long time. When did I came here? Was sometime early last year, I think.
Yeah, you were the first thing I'd recorded.
Yeah,
we
at
didn't
that
even
time.
have the multi-chords through the wall yet.
Yeah.
We just had to do the chords
Yeah.
through the door, yeah.
Yes, it's good to be back.
Yeah.
Nice settings. The drum set and everything there. Getting ready and now is it. That I know nothing you would not get no fight yet. Have you ever have a friend who try to take your life yet? Alright then, that I know nothing you not get no fight yet. Have you ever have a friend who try to take your life yet? What you know about mackerel and rice? What you know about living but feel lifeless? Me can't forget how my life did set pure dark clouds cover me when I night for rest. Me can't forget how them used to say me dance like my daddy and me nah go reach nowhere. Can't find the money and I'm hungry I bite my chest. Yeah, I really listen. Man been through a heap of struggle in a life, you know. And I even say to compare, you know. But you see things a man been through, I tell you. That I know nothing you not get no fight yet. Have you ever have a friend who try to take your life yet? What you know about mackerel and rice? What you know about living but feel lifeless? Me can't forget how my life did set pure dark clouds cover me when I night for rest. Me can't forget how them used to say me dance like my daddy and me nah go reach nowhere. Yeah. Yeah. Then can't tell it. Alright then, that I know nothing you not get no fight yet. Have you ever have a friend who try to take your life yet? What you know about mackerel and rice? What you know about living but feel lifeless? Me can't forget how my life did set pure dark clouds cover me when I night for rest. Me can't forget how them used to say me dance like my daddy and me nah go reach nowhere. Can't find the money and I'm hungry I bite my chest. But me tell them my life been quite the person. I mean now I'm youth go come face the same. So even though if I give them, I will never give it. Yeah, I'll do the second verse. Alright, let's do the first chorus and then we'll go to the second verse. Tell me I'ma forget that. Oh, them used to laugh off of me. Eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Them don't want some past poverty. Eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget. No, to be honest, me never think me woulda live to see that age. To the amount of people try to put me in that graveyard. Yeah, but tell them when I go fail ya. So if I even pray alone, me I go break that chain ya. If you say me wanna people become me haters, still me not go hype on them. Show them the same face, be the bigger person. Show them how to make changes, and everybody can relate to it. So reality me face it. Enough still love my grave dig. Only myself me feel safe with it. I still loving on my heart, no hatred. Gonna rate me still. Tell me I'ma forget that. How them used to laugh off of me. Eh? To be honest, me never think me woulda live to see that age. To the amount of people try to put me in that grave. Yeah, but tell them me not go feel ya. Say if I even pray alone, me I go break that chain ya. If you say me wanna people become me haters, still me not go hype on them and show them the same face. Be the bigger person, show them how to make changes, and everybody can relate with. So reality, me face it. Enough still love my grave dig. Only me say me feel safe with. I still love it in my heart. No, yet should gonna rate me still. I want it to do. So that would be the raw version. And I would do the clean version, which is just one word changing instead of saying F. It's pretty much the first verse will be the third verse. So it's gonna be a repeat of the first verse. To be honest, me never think me woulda live to see that age, yeah. To the amount of people try to put me in that grave, yeah. Yeah, but tell them me not go fail, yeah. So if I even pray alone, me I go break that chain, yeah. Live to see me one of people become me haters. Still me not go hype on them and show them the same face. Be the bigger person, show them how to make changes. And everybody can relate with. So reality, me face it. Enough still love my grave dig. Only me say me feel safe with. I still love it in my heart, no hatred, but gonna rate me still. Tell me I'ma forget that. That I know nothing youth, you not get no fight yet. Have you ever have a friend who try to take your life yet? What you know about mackerel and rice, yeah? What you know about living but feel lifeless? Me can't forget how my life did set. Pure dark clouds cover me when I night fi rest. Me can't forget how them used to say me dunce like my daddy and me not go reach nowhere. Can't find the money and I hungry, I bite my chest. Me tell them my life been quite depressing. And me know how me youth go come face the same. So even though I forgive them, I will never give in. Tell me I'ma forget that. That I know nothing youth, you not get no fight yet. Have you ever have a friend who try to take your life yet? What you know about mackerel and rice, eh? What you know about living but feel lifeless? Me can't forget how my life did set. Pure dark clouds cover me when I night for rest. Me can't forget how them used to say me dunce like me daddy and me not go reach nowhere. Can't find the money and I hungry, I bite my chest. Me tell them my life been quite depressing. I mean now I'm youth go come face the same. So even though I forgive them, I will never give in. Tell me I'ma forget that. All them used to laugh off of me, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Them don't want some past poverty, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget now. Tell me I'ma forget that. All them used to laugh off of me, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Them don't want some past poverty, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget now. Yeah. I hear you listening. I've been through all heap in a life, you know. I even say if compare, you know. You can't tell about me. That I know nothing youth. Try to take your life, yeah. Rice, yeah. Feel lifeless. Pure dark clouds cover me when I night. Remember. Been quite depressing. Face the same thing. I will never give in. Hey. I never want. Never. Live to see that age, yeah. Try to put me in that grave, yeah. Me not go fail, yeah. Remember. Show them the same face. If you make. Can relate with. To my face it. Enough still love my grave dig. I feel safe with. No hatred. Remember. Still laugh off of me. Can't forget. Grave dig. No hatred. I mean, I'ma forget that. Still laugh off of me. Tell me I'ma forget that. Want some past poverty. Forget that. I'ma forget. Tell me I'ma forget. Get no fight, yeah. Try to take your life, yeah. Mackerel and rice, yeah. Living but feel lifeless. Remember. Dance like my daddy. Cry bite my chest. Been quite depressing. Confess the same. I will never give in. All them used to laugh out for me. Them don't want some past poverty. Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget that. Tell me I'ma forget. Yeah. Remember everything, man. I really trust and believe. Yo, Tim Jim.
Lyrics, but
Yeah.
no, it's still cool.
It's a different one.
Yeah. No, because I saw everyone commenting on your first one. They were, hard lyrics, man.
Yeah, yeah.
He's normally not like this
Yeah,
savage.
yeah. So it's more like coming
Talking
from
about the bad shit.
yeah, you know. This one is more like coming from the personal place, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo. I hear you listening. I've been surely in life, and even if we compare,
See what our levels are like.
Yeah.
tell about me. Oh, them used to laugh out for me, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Them never want some past poverty, eh? Tell me I'ma forget that. Yeah, that line. If with I still loving now my heart, no hatred, but if wanna rate me still. If with I still loving now my heart, no hatred, but if wanna rate me still. Alright. Think I done that song. Here we go. I said, what you know about living but feel lifeless. Me can't forget all my life did set. Pure dark clouds cover me when I night for rest. Me can't forget all them used to say me done like my daddy and me nah go reach nowhere. Can't find the money and I'm hungry about my chest. Me tell them my life been quite depressing. I mean now want me youth go come face the same. So even though I forgive them I will never give it. Take it. Yeah. You not get no fight yet.
Check these ones. This one play.
Yeah. Remember everything, man. Iris. Trust and believe. Yo, Tim Jim. Let's go now.
Good.
Try to take your life yet. What you know about mackerel and rice, yeah? What you know about living but feel lifeless? Me can't forget all my life did set. Pure dark clouds cover me when I night for rest. Me can't forget. Everything the man been through in a life make man firm, you see it. But all of them do man in a life, them better don't think me forget anything. You dig? That I know nothing youth, you not get no fight yet. Have you ever have a friend who try to take your life yet? What you know about mackerel and rice, yeah? What you know about living but feel lifeless? Me can't forget how my life did set pure dark clouds cover me when I night for rest. Me can't forget how them used to say me dance like me daddy and me not go reach nowhere. Can't find the money and I hungry, I bite me chest. Me tell them my life been quite depressing. I mean now I'm youth go come face the same. So even though I forgive them, I will never give in. Tell me you must forget that. Oh, them used to laugh off of me. Eh? Tell me you must forget that. Them never want see my past poverty. Eh? Tell me you must forget that. Tell me you must forget. I'ma forget. I'ma forget that. Tell me you must forget. Now, to be honest, me never think me woulda live to see that age. To the amount of people try to put me in that grave. Yeah, but tell them me not go feel as if I even pray alone, me I go break that chain, yeah. Live for some more when people become me haters, still me not go hype on them. Show them the same face, be the bigger person, show them how to make changes, and everybody can relate to it. So reality me face it, enough still have my grave dig. Only myself me feel safe with. I still love it in my heart, no hatred, but if you not rate me still. Tell me you must forget that. How them used to laugh off of me, eh? Tell me you must forget that. Them never want see my past poverty, eh? Tell me you must forget that. Tell me you must forget. I'ma forget. I'ma forget that. Tell me you must forget now. Can't forget. Best believe. Advice to the one and only provider. Blessings all the time, man. You. Let me know what it sound. I'ma drop the one here soon?
Yes.
Alright. Bobo say yes.
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 Yes.